Here I have TCL TAB 10L, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, and here in camera you have to hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let me show you how it works. So as you can see right now I'm taking like a burst shot, and I took like 17 shots, and here they are. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.